This is the ultimate, man. These roads every day just get better and better and better. Oh, boo. There's a lot of roadworks. That's the only thing with these roads. Turn the aircon off. All power to main thrusters. Let's go, man. Woo-hoo-hoo! 0 to 70 miles an hour in 4 business days. Oh, hey! Optimus Primer. Bruv. That's enough music. Let's just listen to the rattle of my engine as it blows a rear seal. Much better to listen to. Mate, I didn't know the roads were going to look like this today. Mamma mia. This reminds me of Turkey. Up in the mountains there. This video is sponsored by Monster. I wish. I wish. They're not good for you, but sometimes it's okay to indulge. Brother. Bro. This feels like a fairy tale. Cuz. Look at that. That's unreal. Wow. Best roads of the drive so far. Look at the size of that mountain, bruv. This is unbelievable, man. Unbelievable. Look at it. That's hectic. You guys won't be able to see anything, but we are on a ferry. Hey, Sir Samuel. What's going on, brother? Can't park there, mate. Oh, the weather's crazy right now. Woo. This little ferry here. Let's see how much it is. We haven't paid yet. You pay on the boat somewhere. I don't know where. That was £12. They must do alright, these little ferry companies, but it would be brutal to be working there. Like, look, just have my window, just have my window down a tiny bit, and look how wet it is. Bit of water. £12 later, and we're across, brother. Not bad. Good little ferry business. There's so many islands, if you didn't know, in Scotland. So many. So there's one big ferry company that operates all of them. I believe they have over 60 different ferry terminals. It could even be more. Correct me in the comments if it's more. That's it. First experience ever on a ferry. Taking my car on a ferry. It's designed well. It doesn't look very low. Let's see if we scrape. No scraping. We did well. Hello. Here we are, brother. We made it. Island boy. Island boy. Woo! Bro, I'm so happy to not be on a bike. I've done so much riding in my life that I don't enjoy riding in the rain because I've done it so much. I like motorbikes for good weather. So I'm so thankful, honestly, that we're not on a bike. Look at this. Only like, how many minutes? 5 minutes away, bro. Wow. What a drive. I mean, I know I say that like every video. I say like, wow, look at these roads, but they're just so beautiful, so cinematic.